What's the real cost of starting a business with free tools? We've all seen those enticing offers. Start your LLC for $0. Or, get a free logo in minutes. They flash across our screens, promising to unlock our entrepreneurial dreams without breaking the bank. But in the world of business, as in life, free often comes with a hidden price tag. Today, we're diving deep into that very question, specifically concerning a popular platform. Is Tailor Brands truly free? Before we jump into the specifics of Tailor Brands, let's set the stage. The allure of free is powerful, especially for aspiring entrepreneurs with limited capital. The idea of bypassing hefty legal fees, expensive graphic designers, and complex web developers seems like a no-brainer. These platforms promise to democratize entrepreneurship, putting powerful tools into the hands of anyone with an idea and an internet connection. And on the surface, many of them deliver. You can often get a basic logo, a simple website, or even the initial filing of your LLC done without an upfront charge. But here's where the savvy entrepreneur needs to put on their detective hat. Free rarely means everything is free, forever, with no strings attached. It's a common business model, known as freemium, where a basic service is offered for free to attract users, with premium features or ongoing services requiring a paid subscription. Think of it like a free sample at a grocery store. It's just enough to get you hooked and considering the full product. So how does this apply to Tailor Brands? Tailor Brands has positioned itself as an all-in-one business builder. They're known for their AI-powered logo maker, their LLC formation services, website building tools, and a host of other features designed to help you launch and grow a business. Their marketing often highlights the free aspects of their offerings, particularly when it comes to forming an LLC or designing a basic logo. Let's break down the free aspect of Tailor Brands, starting with their LLC formation service. Yes, Tailor Brands does offer an LLC formation service package that claims to be free of service charges. This sounds fantastic, right? You just pay your state's filing fee, and Tailor Brands handles the paperwork. And for many, this is a legitimate starting point. They will prepare and file your articles of organization, which officially forms your LLC with the state. They even include an online business coaching program in their Lite package, which comes at $0 plus state fees. However, the key phrase here is service charges. While Tailor Brands might not charge their own fee for the basic filing, you are still responsible for the state's mandatory filing fees. These fees vary significantly from state to state, ranging from tens to hundreds of dollars. So, while Tailor Brands isn't charging you directly for the service of filing, you're still paying a government fee. It's not a truly cost-free endeavor to get your LLC legally established. Now, what about everything else? Because forming an LLC is just one piece of the puzzle. A business needs branding, a web presence, and often ongoing compliance. This is where the freemium model of Tailor Brands really comes into play. Let's talk logos. Tailor Brands is famous for its AI-powered logo maker. You can absolutely generate a logo for free. You can input your business name, choose your industry, and their AI will churn out a variety of designs. You can even customize them to a certain extent. But here's the catch. To actually download high-resolution files of your logo, or to use it commercially without restrictions, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. The free logo is more of a preview, a way to see what's possible before you commit. If you want full ownership, transparent backgrounds, or versions optimized for social media, that's going to cost you. The same principle applies to their website builder. Tailor Brands offers website builder access. You can likely create a basic site, populate it with some content, and get a feel for the platform. However, for features like connecting a custom domain, having advanced editing capabilities, setting up an online store, or accessing analytics tools, you'll need one of their premium subscription plans. These plans are typically offered on a monthly or annual basis, and the cost can add up over time. Beyond the initial setup, there's ongoing compliance and support. While the Lite LLC formation plan might be free of service charges, their Essential and Elite packages, which come with annual fees, offer crucial services like ongoing compliance assistance, faster processing, and dedicated support. If your state requires annual reports, for example, Tailor Brands will track those deadlines and submit the reports for you, but this is a paid service. Without it, you're on your own to remember and file everything, and missing deadlines can lead to penalties. Then there are the add-ons and related services. Tailor Brands offers EIN registration, licenses and permits assistance, business insurance, business banking, legal documents, trademark services, and more. While they might make it easy to access these, they are almost certainly not free. For instance, while an EIN, employer identification number, from the IRS is free to obtain yourself, Tailor Brands might charge a service fee for handling the application on your behalf. Similarly, trademark services involve government fees and legal complexities that won't be covered by a free basic offering. It's also worth noting that some users have reported mixed experiences with Tailor Brands, particularly concerning customer support and billing. While many praise the user-friendliness of the platform and the breadth of services, others have expressed frustration over difficulty canceling subscriptions or unexpected charges for add-on services they didn't fully understand. This highlights the importance of reading the fine print and understanding exactly what each plan includes before committing. So, back to our initial question. Is Tailor Brands free? The short answer is no, not entirely, and certainly not for everything you'll need to run a successful business. They employ a freemium model, offering a valuable entry point with some basic services at no charge, but reserving the more robust features, essential ongoing support, and high-quality assets for their paid subscription plans. For a new entrepreneur, Tailor Brands can be an incredibly useful tool, simplifying complex processes and providing a centralized platform for various business needs. The initial free offerings can help you test the waters and get a sense of what's possible. However, it's crucial to understand that scaling your business, ensuring legal compliance, and truly owning your brand assets will almost certainly require an investment in their paid services. The free is a taste, not the full meal. It's about getting your foot in the door, then deciding if the value of their comprehensive suite of tools is worth the ongoing subscription cost for your specific business needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.